Hi lovelies, welcome back to today's video. Guys, this video is so funny and it's interesting. So I came out from school and my husband was in the kitchen prepping all these things. So he removed the meat from the freezer and he was squeezing the lemon. He forgot that I have a squeezer for that. So I told him that I have a squeezer. He said, no, I shouldn't worry, that he's a man. He can just use his hand for that. So he squeezed the lime and added salt to it. And I said, what are you coming to prepare? He said, I shouldn't worry. He has a surprise for me. I said, okay. So as a YouTuber that I am, I didn't let this scene go like that. I just quickly went for my phone and I started recording him. So he said he's taking over the kitchen that day and he said I should just relax. He's coming to prepare me our homemade food that our mommies used to do. So I should just relax. And in fact, I really love it. I love the idea because this particular meal is something that we love it once in a while. We can eat so well with that. And back home in Ghana, our mothers used to prepare this meal a lot. So I have made this type of meal before. So my husband taking his time to prepare all these things, I was so happy and appreciative for his time. So I was also attending to the baby at the same time. In fact, he was cooking and cleaning at the same time, like the way I always do. You know, sometimes our husbands they watch us, so they watch us how we prepare food and how we are in the kitchen, how we keep the kitchen neat. They always watch us. So he was doing that, and here he brought out the leaves and he has already portioned some of the meat that he will use for the meal that he wants to prepare. So he has two different kinds of leaves here. That's collard greens and collard greens. And he start to wash it before cutting it. So after cutting it too, he wash it again. And see the way my husband cut his leaves. Men, they don't have time to waste in the kitchen. Oh, they just do their thing sharp, 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 sharp. He just cut the leaves big, big, big. I say, hey. He said, yeah, I should just watch him. I should just keep watching him. He knows how to make his own way. So he's just cooking it for me. He's surprising me. So, and I said, okay. I like the fact that you took the time to stand in the kitchen and doing all these things. And I also like the fact that he was keeping the place very neat. And I was so happy seeing him working. It took him hours upon hours. So I couldn't also stand there watching him like that. So I said, I have to help you. He said, no. I said, no, let me just help you. So at the end of the day, I just helped him a little bit by washing the utensils because I can't see him doing all this thing and I will just be, I know you are surprising me, but so he just continued cutting the vegetables. You see that meat that was, you see that meat that is in that bowl. We kept it in the freezer for another thing, and I was behind him seasoning the meat for him, and he loved the idea. So, ladies, if you are here watching this video, always encourage your husband. Whether he cook for you or he doesn't cook for you, always appreciate your husband because some men they don't know how to even cook. Some men they learn how to cook because my husband learned how to cook. Initially, he did not know how to cook, especially when I was in Ghana and he was here already. He used to call me video call and I'll be teaching him some of the recipes. he made it his own way, and it has really helped. It has really helped him a lot. So I can say that he has really improved by me staying with him, joining him, and we staying together. It has really helped his cooking skills, and I like the idea that he cook and clean at the same time. So please, mothers, wives, sisters, always encourage your spouse in any ways that they try their efforts. It's really helpful. So this one, he has finished cutting the vegetables and he proceeded to the next one. So I think I will leave you guys here. Enjoy the rest of the video and tell me under the comment section, what do you see in this video that has really made you laugh or smile? Let me know under the comment section, and I really appreciate. And if you are new here, my name is Linda and you're welcome to Christian Family. Thank you so much, guys, for the maximum support and encouragement. Thank you, I really appreciate it. And if you are new here, as I said it before, kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video. Enjoy the rest of the video.
The big one. Yeah.
Okay, we stop that, okay? So you taste for the salt and the pepper and see if it's okay. Think I'll cut it. Ah, it's okay. So we the equation. You see what I can do? It seems you have cooked, right? Good. That is good. Come to that. Emma, no, what about Juma? Thank you.